Hello, favorites. I am Stephanie Young, and I have been in this network marketing business for 3 years. And there's nothing quite rewarding like this industry if you're ready for it. There's trial and error and everything. Hey. There's a lot. I'm just gonna go through this pretty quickly, and then I'm gonna go what's in it for $19.99 here. I have never had a team before coming to Farmasi. I hadn't really had the success that I've had with Farmasi. It's definitely taken its time to get where I'm at, and I'm very grateful for that journey. It's just about stepping stones and kind of stepping out of your comfort zone in a lot of ways that you're not used to. And some people can shy away from it, and some people will jump in, go out of town and be very successful in their first few months of this business. But with Farmasi, it gives you affordability. It gives you the opportunity to lead a team with affordable cost, because starter kits are not always cheap to dive into. And I wouldn't say they're cheap. They just want you to invest in yourself. And they want you to, have a little knowledge of the company. So that's what you're going to get, obviously. We do have different kits. So if you're interested in a different kit, we can go that far. But when I joined in July, the $20 fee was waived. And I went for a $49 kit. So I got a little bit more product. I got a little bit more samples, but I didn't get the $20 starter kit. So I messaged Farmasi and was like, can you send me a starter kit? Because it never came. Because you're supposed to still get the $20 kit. It just was waived, right? So they sent a version, but everything else is in English, but just the comp plan and the opportunity is in Spanish. I thought, oh man, I'm good, but I really just wanted the breakdown of our comp plan right here. This is the ranks that if you want to start building a team. So you'll get all the comp plan, policies and procedures, side points, all that stuff about Farmasi comp plan. This is the $19.99 opportunity. $20, that's it. There's no inside fees. There's no website fees. There's no hidden yearly fees. It's $20. You get half off products, and you get 50% commission to start, with the exception if you want to build a team, up to 75% commission. So that's totally up to you where you want to go with this business. And if you just want, I don't like saying this, but if you just want affordability to the products and get half off, you can do that as well. But I'm looking for strong women that want to take this on as an opportunity to bring income into your family. Quite frankly, that's what it's all about, is about bringing income into your family at this time. I know I don't want to talk too much about income, but it's a big deal. We just got paid today, a few days early. And that money goes to my grocery bill or my kids' stuff, because kids want stuff, right? Even in quarantine, they still want stuff to do, right? And this gives me the ability to tell him yes more, and gives me a little bit of a help to our personal income, bills, all that jazz, okay? So you get some catalogs. You get at least 5. I think I have 5. So 5 catalogs. You'll probably get the new spring catalog. This is the fall. They change it every season. They'll change this and add new products and things, all that jazz. We do have over 400 products, you guys. So if skincare and makeup is not your jam, then maybe you should look at our hair care. Maybe you should look at our men's care. We can take men on too for $19.99. We have skincare. We have all kinds of, we have 5 different brands, 5 different ingredient skincare lines. We have everything, okay? So then you're going to get this Farmasi color. It's just like a high-tech, glossy, like, color chart. So you can see all the colors, very bold and true to color. I believe that's what the idea of this color chart is. Your skincare guide, everything about our skincare, what's calendula, what's tea tree, what's charcoal, and what's our age reverse, what's made with it, all that jazz. You do get a couple of samples. Whatever they have, I think it's more of what's on hand, but I could be wrong. But these are the samples that you get. So 2 of our hair care serum, hair care lines are garlic and Capixyl. Capixyl is a natural hair growth. And then the keratin smooth line is currently what I use in my hair. And then this is heat and massage gel for sore muscles if you're working out at home. Any strained necks from being on your phone so long. Ding ding, me. But that helps with pain relieving and all that stuff, muscle aches. And then you get our foundation stay matte. Sometimes you'll get BB cream, CC cream samples, all of that jazz. So you get a pretty good amount of samples for $20, I would say, because you also get the whole lineup of mini lipsticks that we have. I think they're the true color lipsticks and matte lipsticks and some intense lipsticks as well. So that's 14 lip samples that you can try and give out and sample out, or you can just try them all. They're very moisturizing and they're very good true to color. Oh, thanks. I revamped my pink hair. And then you get little gift bags too to do home parties if you want to do home parties. If not, you don't have to. But if you do like at home, whatever. But that is what it is. $19.99. This box is huge. It's amazing. Their artwork, everything in this box is, like I said, $19.99. If you want more products to try out with this gig, you can write into the sign up. You can add some products for half off right away in one sitting. So that is what's in this box. Okay, what's in it, and what my whole ideal goal is to share with you is what's in it. It's about hope. It's about future. It's about having a little bit of fun right now because everyone's sitting at home. Maybe you're bored sitting in front of your TV and you want to get out and put on a face of makeup and feel good about yourself, get your skincare regimen figured out, because this is a time that our skin's changing because it's changed with season. So you could be a little bit on the drier side right now going into summer. Maybe in this quarantine, you're sitting out in the sun, so you might need a different foundation. Whatever it is, you might just want to try it, because there's nothing wrong with a win-win situation, because you're only out $20. If this isn't the place for you, I would sure hope it would be. And I as a leader, I'm not all perfect, but I'm trying to be better. But I can't always be my yellow personality. I can't always care so much about what other people think. And that's one of, not really, I would say, my downfall. I would just say it holds me back a lot. Just because I want everyone to be hopeful and have success here. And because I know what it's like not to have so much success and to struggle the way that I have. I know I don't want that on anybody else. And I know I can't lead I can lead a horse to water, but I can't make him drink. But I can sure help and support and encourage as much as I can, because that's my personality. I just care way too much about people having success in this industry. I care way too much about giving people tips and tricks and just knowledge of what I've been through, so that it's an easier transition for you into this industry. Yes, you have to put into the work. You have to help yourself by saying yes. You have to, take a little investment on $20, and I mean, you get half off products for ever. It's like a Sam's Club. You get half off products that are already affordable. And I'm just gonna talk about Farmasi. Farmasi is manufactured in their own building, 7-building integrated factory, and it's the biggest factory in Europe. So it's a one fit transaction. It goes from Turkey to Miami to us, so to the warehouse to us. So there's no middleman, there's no 3-wheel, there's no slapping a product on it for higher dollars. This is beloved family and true family business. There's no middleman doing the work. It's all five family members, four doing the work. And so just take a risk. I mean, it might not be, you'll find a foundation. You have 6 to choose from. You will find a mascara. We have 6 of them to choose from. You'll find something that you like and niche for $20. And then you can still get it half off. You can still share it with your friends and family and get 50% commission. Easy math, guys. Easy math. Sell 50, get 25. Sell 100, get 50. That's 50% commission right there. As we work up to percentages and team building and all that, we can get into it. But this live was just about the $19.99 kit, what's in it. And I hope this gives you a little bit of hope and push to check in with me and say yes, and let's do this. There's not a better time to just invest in a little bit to see if this is the spot for you. It may not be, and that's okay. And I'm okay with that. But take that risk and take that chance and take that hope to a brighter future with me. All right? Have a great night. Enjoy. I am Stephanie Young, and we'll talk to you later. Bye.